Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the network and Roku ready. On the Roku, update software and enable screen mirroring under settings so the TV can accept connections. Once done, make sure your phone or Windows PC is on the same Wi-Fi network as the Roku. This is how the devices discover each other. Meanwhile, open Chrome and load the tab or site you want to display. These steps remove common connection blockers and let you move straight into casting or mirroring without delay. Next, initiate the actual cast. On a Windows PC, open Chrome, click the three-dot menu, choose Cast, then pick Cast Desktop and select the Roku showing in the list. This sends the whole screen including Chrome. On Android, use the System Cast or Screen Cast toggle in Quick Settings and select the Roku, then open Chrome and navigate to the page. Make sure you accept any Roku prompts to allow the device. Choosing to mirror the entire screen avoids audio or tab-only limitations. To finish, stop casting from Chrome's Cast Control or turn off the Android Cast toggle. The Roku will return to its normal interface. If the Roku never appears in Chrome's device list, reboot the Roku and your source device, verify they're on the exact same Wi-Fi network, and that screen mirroring is allowed. For stuttering video, reduce the stream quality in Chrome, move devices closer to the router, or use a wired Ethernet connection on the Roku for a steadier result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.